What if I told you this tiny fast food joint you are seeing right now pulls in over $10,000 every single month with just burgers, fries, and shawarma? No fancy dining space, no big name franchise, just hustle, taste, and strategy. Today, I am going to show you how small food businesses are silently making banks and how you can start one too. In the world of quick money making businesses, nothing beats fast food. Why? Low startup capital, daily cash flows, recession-proof demand, high repeat customers. But the secret isn't just in selling food. It's in understanding what to sell, how to sell it, and where. Here is how the business works. Product costs. Burger can cost you $1 to make, but you sell for $4. Average daily sales is about 100 burgers, that is $300 profits per day. Add on drinks, fries, sauce, even more profits. The margins are insane if you do it right. A 26-year-old entrepreneur who started with food truck and $200, he landed receipts from YouTube, set up near a college, and promoted with Instagram. Today, he makes over $5 million yearly. His secret: focus on speed, tests, and branding. So how do you start? Here is the breakdown. Location: high foot traffic. Equipment: grill, fryer, POS, packaging, branding, logo, social media, menu board. Simple but addictive: burgers, shawarma, fries. Licensing: food safety, local permits. No one will buy from you if they don't know you exist. Here is how to blow up very fast. Offer free samples to first 20 customers. Post behind the scenes food videos on TikTok. Partner with local delivery guys. Give referral bonuses. Create a branded hashtags. Here is how to scale fast without stress. Add mobile delivery. Increase your menu size gradually. Introduce combo meals. Hire a worker and duplicate the model. Expand to new location with same menu. Avoid these fast food killers. Overcomplicating your menu. Not reinvesting in branding. Ignoring customers' feedback. Bad hygiene. No social media presence. If you fix this, money will increase and chase you. Do you want free marketing? Create viral content. Food, social media, views, customers equals to money. These are 3 viral content ideas any fast food business can use starting today. Bite or lick challenge featuring your burger. Behind the scenes sauce secrets. 1 minute recipe build. Fast, clean, and tasty. You don't need a fancy camera. Your smartphone is enough. Most successful food businesses aren't built on taste alone. They are built on emotions. Tell your story. Did you start this business? You lost your job because you were tired of 9 to 5. Or maybe you wanted to give your mom a better life. People connect with people when they love you. They will love your food. Let me break it down. Your day one income goal is $100. Here is how to hit it fast. 20 burgers at $5 equals to $100, or 10 combo meals at $10. Focus on 3 hours during peak time, lunch or night. Simple setup, good flavor, and a little Instagram story every day equals to instant tractions. Some meals just print money. Want to know them? Loaded fries, cheap to make, can sell at $5 plus. Chicken wings, high crave value. Chapman or signature drinks, huge profit margins. You can even name them uniquely, like Buzz Bites, Fire Sauce Fries, or Money Melts Shawarma. Branding sells so well in food industry. Fast food isn't just about physical hustle anymore. You can make money online from it too. 1. Create a recipe ebook. How to make street shawarma at home. Launch a YouTube short series. Sell branded seasoning or sauce. Offer a paid mini course. Start your fast food business from scratch. The business doesn't end on the street. It grows digitally. Most people plan their fast food hustle without thinking of the silent killers. This includes daily gas refill costs, transportation of stock, packaging and bags, unexpected maintenance like generator or fryer repairs. Ignoring this is what causes daily cash shortage, not poor sales. As your fast food business grows, you need help, but hiring the wrong people can ruin your brand. Here is how to hire smart. Start with family or loyal friends. Pay fair, treat well. Teach customer service. Create simple SOPs, standard operating procedures. A business that can run without you is a real business. Angry customers can destroy your business or build it. It's all in how you respond. Don't argue, apologize very fast. Replace their meal if needed. Offer a free drink or discount next time. They fix the root cause a bad customer experiences recovered well, like lifelong loyalty. Every fast food business has off days. What matters is your bounce back. Post a rainy day offer like buy one and get one free. Collaborate with local influencers. Introduce a flash menu just for one day. Survey customers. Ask about what they want next. Low sales aren't the end of their business. They are wake-up calls to innovate. Great businesses don't just serve food. They create a brand experience. Think of branded uniforms, signature jingles or slogan, loyalty cards, buy 5, get 1 free, customer wall of fame. You are not just selling food, you are selling feelings, memories, and trust. Fast food franchising is still fresh in Africa, and that means opportunity. If your model works in one location, it can be replicated in 5, 10, even 100 locations. What you need is document your recipe and systems, create branding assets, sell the dream, not just the food, offer flexible franchise packages. Your brand can become the next Domino's Pizza or KFC, but only if you think long term. Let me tell you a true story that changed how I see fast food business forever. A young guy named Samuel started with just a charcoal grill, and he made shawarma on the roadside. Today, he owns 3 franchises, employs 12 people, and is worth over $50 million. How? Consistency, reinvesting, and knowing that taste is power. The game changer is combining offline hustle with online presence. Here is the plan. Sell food offline, promote it online, Reels, TikTok, WhatsApp status. Take orders via WhatsApp business. Run small Instagram ad. $100 daily can bring 100 to 500 new customers. That's not a joke. That's that online attention plus offline services equals to domination. Do you want to make customers spend more? Don't just sell food. Sell value bundles. For example, burger plus fries plus drinks equals to 3,000 naira instead of 3,500 naira. Separately plus 5 wing Chapman shawarma equals to 4,500 naira. These combos psychologically feel like a deal, and people love deals a whole lot. 80% of most food businesses come from repeat customers. So don't just sell once, sell forever. Start a loyalty system. Get a stamp card. Buy 5, get 1 free. WhatsApp brokers list with flash discounts. Use customers' name when they return. Personal touch wins hearts. You want to expand but don't want to stress with big shops. Use ghost kitchens and micro outlets. What are they? Small locations that serve all online orders only, or pop-up stands that only appears during rush hours. Low costs, high returns. Build multiple low-cost outlets. Scale without debt. By now, you've seen it all. How to start, how to grow, and how to scale, how to dominate. You are no longer just someone watching YouTube. You are the CEO of your own food empire in progress. Hit the like button if you are fired up. Comment, "I am cooking my destiny," and check the description to grab my free fast food startup checklists, a simple Canva menu, a free Instagram flyer template. Subscribe now because this is just the beginning. Hi, my name is Anthony Ilo. I create amazing content about how to make good money for yourself. See you on my next video. Cheers.